حبايبي.
اليوم رح نسوي unboxing ويا فيسز، ومثل ما تشوفون اكو هواية برودكتس،
وهذول كل البرودكتس موجودين بفيسز، وراح نشرح لكم وراح نراويكم شنو نحب وشنو ما نحب. انتي شنو اول شيء راح تبدين؟
خلينا نبدا نفتح هاي بس نفتحها سويا.
1 2 3.
Yeah, it's basically everything I've used from Benefit that يعني خاص البروز.
My favorite is the eyebrow gel. This is like super easy. You can just apply it like this, and that's it, girl. You're ready to go.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay,
Honey, I want to try this
else.
Makeup Forever lipstick. Honestly, حلو هذا اللون.
So, أنا راح أراويك Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum. I mean, it's the #1 selling serum.
I've seen so much about it and I heard so much about it. I feel like I'm the only person in this whole world that hasn't tried it yet.
You're definitely missing out.
زين هو شو يسوي يعني لما تحطيه؟
أول شيء يجيك
لأنه أنا
خلايا ويشد الوجه.
Smells so good, smell.
I'm gonna open this. The Glitzy Makeup Forever palette. So convenient. It has contour, blush.
The most thing I like about this palette is the banana.
Yeah.
لأنه
I
it's
like
good
this one,
يعني
warm
أحطه
rose.
هنا الثاني. Okay.
Let's go for Dolce & Gabbana Liquid Highlighter. It's called the Sunlight Liquid Highlighter by Dolce & Gabbana. For me, I love highlighters.
إنه الإفكت مالته كأنه water يعني هيك reflection of water. شوفوا أنا اللي يعجبني بالهايلايتر إنه يكون كلش طبيعي، وهمنا when it's liquid it's always more natural.
Thank you guys for watching. Everything is available at Faces and online, so don't forget to check them out, guys.
Bye.